The thing about traditional toothbrushes is that they make proper teeth maintenance unnecessarily hard. Maintaining healthy teeth and gums has never been easier thanks to advancements in electric toothbrush technology. Gone are the days of manual brushing struggles. These devices combine innovation and convenience to make oral care not just effective, but also effortless. Today, I've compiled a list of the top 6 electric toothbrushes for 2025, each offering unique features tailored to different needs. Whether you're a traveler, a tech enthusiast, or someone seeking a family-friendly solution, we've got you covered. Be sure to check the links in the description. Let's get started. At number 6, the Aquasonic Home Dental Center. Top choice for advanced cleaning. The Aquasonic Home Dental Center is perfect for families looking for a complete oral care solution. This all-in-one station combines a powerful toothbrush and a smart water flosser, making it incredibly convenient. The toothbrush boasts 31,000 vibrations per minute and offers 3 cleaning modes: normal, soft, and massage. The 2-minute auto shutoff timer, along with a 30-second interval timer, ensures you brush each quadrant of your mouth thoroughly. It's an excellent tool for maintaining proper brushing habits. On the water flosser side, the Aqua Flosser delivers powerful, gentle water jets, clinically proven to be 5 times more effective than traditional flossing. It's perfect for users with braces and those looking to reduce flossing time. With 10 included accessories, from color-coded brush heads to orthodontic tips, this system ensures everyone in your family is covered. At number 5, the Colgate Hum. Best for travel, compact and smart. The Colgate Hum is a game changer for travelers. This toothbrush combines portability with innovative features. Its sleek design houses powerful sonic vibrations that remove plaque efficiently. What sets the Hum apart is its Bluetooth connectivity. It pairs with an app that provides real-time feedback and tracks your brushing habits, helping you improve over time. Plus, it gamifies oral care, earn points for brushing, and redeem them for rewards. The Hum offers 2 brushing modes, normal and sensitive. Powered by 2 AA batteries, it's entirely cordless and can last up to 6 months, making it ideal for trips. The starter kit even includes a refill brush head and a compact carrying case. Number 4 is the Waterpik Sonic Fusion 2.0, the toothbrush that flosses for you. Imagine brushing and flossing simultaneously. This is what the Waterpik Sonic Fusion 2.0 brings to the table. It's a revolutionary product that combines the benefits of a sonic toothbrush with a Waterpik flosser. You can choose between 3 modes: brushing, flossing, or doing both at once. It's clinically proven to be twice as effective as traditional methods for reducing plaque and improving gum health. With 10 pressure settings, you can customize the flossing intensity to suit your comfort. The Sonic Fusion 2.0 also includes a 2-minute timer with 30-second pacers to guide your brushing routine. Backed by the ADA seal of acceptance, this device guarantees safety and effectiveness. Its travel-friendly design and included accessories make it a must-have for anyone serious about oral hygiene. In number 3, the Sucus Eneos 2 High-Tech Pick. For those who appreciate innovation, the Sucus Eneos 2 offers a futuristic approach to oral care. This device combines brushing and flossing into one compact unit, saving counter space and simplifying your routine. The Neos 2 uses a 0.6mm water stream at 124.3 pounds per square inch for deep cleaning, removing 35 times more stains than manual brushing. Its copper-free bristles are not only effective, but also safer for long-term use. This toothbrush offers 2 modes: deep clean for thorough care and quick floss for on-the-go freshness. With 3 adjustable intensity levels and a 30-day battery life, it's ideal for both home use and travel. The included magnetic charger and reservoir cleaning brush add convenience to the package. Number 2, the Philips Sonicare 5300 Prestige Premium Pick. The Sonicare 5300 Prestige takes oral care to a whole new level with its personalized features. Its pressure sensor automatically adjusts vibrations to protect your gums, making it perfect for people with sensitive teeth. This toothbrush offers 3 modes: clean, white, and gum care. Whether you want a deep clean, stain removal, or gentle gum massage, the Prestige has you covered. With up to 62,000 brush movements per minute, it effectively removes plaque and enhances gum health. Its sleek black design adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom setup, while the travel case and compact charger make it easy to use on the go. It's no surprise this model is a favorite among those seeking premium features. Finally, at number 1, the Oral-B Genius X. Best overall, the Oral-B Genius X earns its top spot with cutting-edge AI technology. This smart toothbrush learns your brushing habits and provides real-time coaching through your smartphone. It ensures you're brushing evenly and with the right pressure, preventing overbrushing and gum damage. The Genius X offers 6 brushing modes, including daily clean, whitening, and sensitive. Its Bluetooth connectivity lets you track your brushing progress and customize your routine. The rechargeable handle comes with 3 brush heads, a charger, and a travel case that doubles as a phone charger. Oral-B is the #1 dentist-recommended brand worldwide, and the Genius X exemplifies why. Its innovative features and trusted reputation make it a standout choice for 2025. That wraps up our list of the top 6 electric toothbrushes for 2025. From all-in-one family systems to travel-friendly designs and high-tech innovations, there's something here for everyone. Let us know in the comments which toothbrush suits your needs best. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more product reviews. Take care and keep smiling.